This is Lenovo Tab M9, and today I will show how you can bypass parental controls on this device. So first step that you need to take is to launch Settings. Then enter the Google category. Tap at the Manage Your Google Account button. Then open the Data and Privacy section. Scroll it all the way down, go for the Delete Your Google Account option. Then, in order to continue, we will need to quickly enter the child's account password. Then hit the Next button and finish the account deletion. Once the account gets successfully deleted, that pretty much means that the parental controls were deactivated. So let me quickly show you. So no Google account over here and no parental controls as well. So now I will also quickly show how you can restore the Google account. It is as easy as signing into the Google Play Store with it. So launch the Google Play Store, then sign in, input the account's email address, then you should see the message like that. Follow this message by entering the account password. And as you can see, we can proceed with the login, which can already signal that the account was successfully recovered. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.